guys! Mahihil na po ba ang inner child? Okay, let's unbox my PS5. This is, I think, 2023 release. Wala akong masyadong knowledge. So, ganito po siya guys. Yes, the box. Okay, let's unbox. So first things first, you have the main cable. Then I'm not sure. Let's just figure out later. Ayan po, meron siyang plastic or stand siguro. Then you open this. Then next thing is the HDMI cable. The next one is, I think this is for the controller cable. You want to charge it. The next is the controller itself. Oh, nice. Yes. Controller. Yeah, ibang-iba siya dun sa sa PS4.
Totoo ba yan?
There you go. And then, okay. Let's be gentle kasi baka ma-trending tayo. Baka ma-trending tayo guys. Pag sinira natin yung box. Wow. Oh, now I know where to use this. Ito talaga siya for the time. So guys, ito yung PS5 console. Slim version na naka-disc. So, pwede siyang digital, then pwede din siyang disc. Pinili namin yung disc kasi naisip namin, pag bumili kami ng disc, pwede namin marami kasi dito sa Australia ang nag-offer ng swap. So, kung hindi mo bet yung game, pwede kang maghanap online or marketplace sa mga na pwedeng makipag-swap ng mga disc. So, we choose that. Kaysa digital, hindi mo kasi siya mabebenta. Next, we bought an extra controller kasi meron namin kilala before, nakabili siya ng parang nakaset na siya. I think meron siyang games included. So, bumili kami ng extra controller. And I choose this color. I don't know what's the name of this color. Basta green, maganda siya. So, let's unbox this one. Ang price niya is $124. But naka-sale siya today for only $84 to $85 na lang siya. From $124. So, parang naka-save ka almost ng $40 guys. Nothing fancy, just the instruction or the instruction manual. And then, wow! Ganda guys! Grabe! Ganda ng color. Look at that. Wow, ganda.
Happy birthday!
Huh?
Birthday gift yan.
Anong birthday gift? Look at this guys. Tignan nyo naman ang pagkakaiba. Diba? Very... Wow! Look at Cookie!
Hi, Cooks!
So, I choose this color kasi this is Marie's controller and this is my controller.
Do you agree with that, Cooks?
Well, that's it for today, guys. I will give you a feedback once Oh, I forgot. So, dahil kailangan namin i-try, so bumili kami ng game. So, kasi parang gusto namin ng yung mga nakakatakot na game. So, we choose this game. It's the last of... I know it's an old game, but I think we haven't tried it yet. This is our first time, so I think it's gonna be exciting to play this game. And dahil hindi siya pang 2 players, so salitan kami. Kasi medyo matatanda na, hindi na masyadong marunong maglaro. At saka napansin ko kasi medyo mahirap na yung mga games today, not like before. So that's gonna be our next video. We're gonna give this unit a try and then this game a try. Okay. Thank you guys. See you next video. Bye. Oh my god. So ganito naman, pakabalong sa ata.
Okay.
Hindi, naka-charge man siya. So dili pa nimo kailangan sa
Hold. Press and hold. kailangan siguro gyapon ni saksak lang to.
Sige daw, isa.
Saksak and then turn left.
Lagi. Wala lang siya kay ang PS is 4K but our TV is not so 4K pa. But it's okay.
Select your language.
Select. Pwede na yan ang gamitin mo. X. Press your control button. Insert it now. Yay! Downloading. Finally.
Maintenance calls. Who the hell are you? Only on highway. Where is he?
Sarah, are you okay?
Yeah.
Is anyone come in here?
No, who would come in here?
Don't go near the doors. Just stand back there.
They're kind of freaking me out. What's going on?
It's because there's somebody rabid in. I think they're sick.
I'm kind of sick.
Jimmy! Come here. Jimmy! Jimmy! Jimmy, I'm warning you! Sarah,
I saw this morning.
Jimmy, there's something bad going on. You've got to get out of here. Do you understand me?
Yeah.
Come on.
You have any idea what's going on out there?
I got some notion.
Holy shit. You got blood all over you.
Hey, man, let's just get out of here.
I've seen half the people in the city lost their minds.
Please go.
Some sort of parasite or something. You gonna tell me what happened?
Later.
Hey, Sarah. Hey, hold up, honey. Okay. Can you guys on the radio?
Yeah, sure thing. Cell phone. No radio.
Yeah, we're doing great. The newsman wouldn't shut up.
They say where to go?
He said, Army's put up roadblocks on the highway. Don't get into Travis County.
We need to get the hell out. Take 71.
71, I swear. Stacy Hardy, okay? Probably alive. We found this one family all mangled inside their house.
Right. I'm sorry. Jesus Christ, how did this happen?
They got no clue. But we ain't the only town. At first they're saying it's just the south. Now they're going on about the east coast and west coast. Holy hell. That's a Lewis's farm. I hope that some bitch made it out.
We sure did.
We're sick.
No, of course not.
How do you know?
They said it's just people in the city. We're good.
Didn't you know I was in the city?
That's right, we did. We're fine, trust me.
Alright.
See what they need. Who do you think you're doing? Keep driving.
I got a kid, Joe.
So do we.
We have room.
Keep driving, Tony. I can see what I see. Someone else will come along.
Shut up.
Oh, this is bad. Everyone and their mother had the same damn idea. We could just backtracking. Promise you I won't.
Tommy! Tommy! Holy shit! What just happened? What the fuck just happened? Did you see that? Yes, I saw it. God damn. Turn it, turn it. Oh my god! Come on, people, move. Where is he running from? Yes, that's right. Yeah. We can't stop here, Tommy. I can't fucking drive through! They're back out there! They're behind me, too! There, there, there! Hold on! Go!